All right, guys, when we finally get our licenses, we are going to be working in Edutyping on our off Zoom days. So this will be your tasks, and you will need to be taking a test for Edutyping at the beginning of each month. And then based on how you do on your test, will determine whether or not you get to be in lessons or in games for the month. So in order to get to Edutyping, what you will do is you will click on the Edutyping button. It's going to take you to the student portal. It's going to go really fast right there. It said that the account ID was FSD4, so Ferndale School District 4. It's just something that you're going to have to remember. Your username is going to be your first name dash your last name, and your password is going to be your computer password. Now, once you are in your class, I want you to notice that there are different menus up along the top. The menu that you're currently in will have a line underneath of it. So right now I'm currently in the lessons menu, which means that if I score less than what the teacher has indicated for that month, it means that I need to be in lessons, and I want to start in the foundational units at this very first menu. And then I come over here and I click start. Deal is that you have to complete a lesson before you can go down to the next one or down to the next one. Once you finish all of these lessons, you'll come up and then you'll work on numbers and symbols. Then you'll go to the numeric keypad. Now, the deal is that the time that you spend in your lessons is going to be added towards or given credit towards how many minutes per month you are supposed to have. So it should be 120 minutes for the month unless we tell you something different. So maybe December is going to be shorter because we have a longer break. Now, if you go up to my progress, you will be able to see the different items of your progress that you have made. Up at the top is the games. So remember, with your games, you are only allowed to be in the games if you have completed your 10 minutes for the day, or you have met the standard for that month, in which case you can be in the games. If you've heard about nitro typing, that is usually accessed through the Ninja Cat, and then it's a couple more clicks. Achievements. You can go through and see how many avatar levels you had, your typing speeds. Basically, you're earning badges. And then you can also choose your theme. So if I wanted to change it, I could. It doesn't matter what we see on the other end as teachers. Now, the very first thing that you'll do is you're going to go down and you're going to go to assessments and go to a time test. Once you get a time test, you're going to come up and take a pre-test. You're going to click start. As soon as you begin typing, it will start recording. Notice that when I mess up, it gives me a little red spot. All right, so you will see that since I've done that, my typing test was, I've met a badge for over 40 words per minute, and I've also met a badge of over 60 words per minute for a 1-minute test. And I typed over 100 characters, which is just each individual letter or punctuation. And I had 3 more. So I can click down here to view all my achievements. I'm going to X out of this. This is where you would be able to see how many words per minute you got. So when you go for a test, you can have a warm-up test, and then the second time you can take your test and we will count the score that is the highest with the highest number of accuracy. So for me, my words per minute is 71 words per minute, and my accuracy was 98%. I'm kind of bummed about that because normally I'm up around 7 words per minute with a 99% accuracy, but y'all got me all Twitter pated. So when you go back, you can, you do not need to print certificate. You can go back to your lessons. And then based on either you can go to games, or if you have to go to lessons, you will go right here to alphabetical keys and then start.